This is an exciting time in medicine. There's a growing realization that there's a world out there with great needs and great opportunities for us both to provide service as one of the main missions of the institution, but also to learn from our experiences around the world. The purpose of our office is to support the research, education, and collaborative activities of the Michigan faculty and our partners around the world. About 7 years ago, Dean Williscroft and I and others decided that the medical school should have an office dedicated to international health, in part because of what we saw as the future of healthcare, both in the United States and around the world, as being a global phenomenon. The fact that diseases travel around the world also indicated that people travel around the world and ideas travel around the world. So we have not only faculty from the University of Michigan who are doing research in other places, but we have faculty from all around the world who come here to do research themselves. In the 5 or 6 years that we've been running this Office of Global Reach at the University of Michigan Medical School, the interest in global health has exploded under our feet. Medical students who, about 5 or 6 years ago, there were maybe 15 or 20 every year who were interested in global health. We have an audience full of people on the first month of medical school interested in finding out ways that they can engage in global health. The same is true for faculty who have been working and very busy in their own laboratories, in their own research projects over the years, are now realizing that there are a set of global health issues to which they could make a major contribution. And we have senior and junior faculty now who are committed to identifying ways that they can expand the reach of their activities around the world. We are committed to continuing to give small grants to faculty so that they can establish collaborative research projects with our colleagues around the world in China, in Africa, in Europe, in South America, where we already have established projects and established investigators who have been doing work for many years in these countries. Global Reach is here to help our faculty identify those opportunities and be successful in their application. When you travel to somewhere else and look at how medicine is practiced, look at how disease is experienced, look at how healthcare is provided in other places around the world, you come back to Ann Arbor with a newfound realization of what it is to be a doctor, what it is to be a researcher, of the opportunities that you might have. Global Reach is a unit of the Dean's Office that's here to help faculty and students and our colleagues from around the world realize those aspirations.